Watching this video because I sent you the okay, let's cut the crap. You're watching this video probably because I sent you the link, or someone that just sitting next to you is watching this video, but either way I'm getting views. But just watch for more than 10 seconds, please. Anyways, the point is that you're watching this video, or it's probably that the video is going so much viral that you are forced to watch it because you like viral stuff. But anyways, in this video I aim to explain what is the difference between food sciences and food technology. And what is food technology, or how are those things related? You get kids that say that they want to be a lawyer, teacher, nurse, architect, pilot, but they don't even question where do the food that is on their table come from, where does that polony or that yogurt come from, and how is it made. They don't even try to make it, they don't even think about making it, they don't even think about careers that come into there. Which is why today I'll explain to you what is food science and technology, and you will force your kid to do video. And I've been beating around the bush throughout the entire video, but now I am about to explain to you the food science and the food technology. Notice that I said food science and said food technology because there are two distinct terms. But however, I'll start with food sciences. Food sciences is basically focused on food chemistry. Food is made out of chemicals. Those are the chemicals that you know as carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fats or lipids. Those chemicals, however, they need to be understood so that they can be manipulated into making new food products. Same way as the chemists would manipulate some atoms, some molecules into making new products. However, the thing is that it is by understanding the behavior of such chemicals, the interaction with the environment, how they react at different environmental conditions, how you predict them. Basically, it's all about predicting those molecules in chemistry. Same way it is in food sciences. So in food sciences, it does not necessarily it doesn't like sing or solely look at food chemistry. It also looks at food microbiology. Now in food microbiology, what is important is that we are looking at the microorganisms that might affect your food. So these are microorganisms such as bacteria, some E. coli, some salmonella, you know those names. When I started this course, I mean, come on, I couldn't even pronounce them. Then you also look at microorganisms that are essential to your food, such as the yeasts. Not that type of yeast, the yeast infection part, but I'm talking about the yeast that we call the Saccharomyces cerevisiae. So that is the one that we're talking about. So like I said, there's a microorganism side. So for example, it's only microorganisms that are capable of fermentation, and fermentation is responsible for making beverages such as wine, beer, some ginger beer, and also making that sour milk that most people like. Things like cheese are a result of fermentation. However, when you eliminate all of that, now we are talking about what food technology is all about. Now remember how I told you that food sciences is all about understanding the chemistry behind food, or the sciences behind food. Now in food technology, they read up on that science. So what does the science found out about this, how to manipulate food chemicals in this way. So when they understand that part, they take it and they use it. You get what I'm saying? They take it and they use it, they apply it to make new products. Basically, it's just an application of science. That is the technology part. The application of science in the industry, in the food industry. Now you'll be wondering, I mean, if you're probably one of those people that were saying that, nah, the food technology is all about being a chef. Unfortunately, you are wrong, and if you're choosing this course because of that, unfortunately, you're going to be hit by some maths, some physics, some chemistry. Yo man, they're going to hit you so bad. But however, that's not the point. Another thing is that the food industry, if it didn't exist at all, if you're still in that backward agricultural working thing, is that humanity wouldn't be existing, because it is the food industry that is keeping everyone alive right now on earth. I mean, you and I can do videos and someone can listen to this video even though it's very relevant. I don't know, but the thing is that without the food industry, we wouldn't be existing, because it is the food industry's ability to take things and manipulate them into making them products. Imagine if you only drink apple juice during the season of apples, it would be boring, right? But you have apple juice throughout the year. Because of food technology, they are able to manipulate it so that they can make apple juice that can last, or they make big beans that or is tinned beans that can last, tinned fish that can last. It is that part of it. If it wasn't there, then I think world hunger would be much more than it is right now. Oh, it would be a big thing, because imagine waiting for every season for everything. So food science is an important part of science, and please do not associate it with the common misconception of it being part of being a chef, which those people, they just cook the products that are made from food sciences and technology. Now I've reached this part, but basically I just want to thank each and everyone that showed up in those clips, which is basically my classmates. They all showed up in that clips, and I really did not ask any of their consent for me showing them up, and no one was harmed in making this video. I don't know, man, I'm just saying things so that you guys can, I don't know, adding more content. However, what have we learned in this video? We've learned that the difference between food sciences and the difference between food technology. You've also learned that food technologist or food sciences is not all about being a chef, and those chefs have nothing to do with food science and technology. We also learned that food is an important part of our society, and without food technology or the food technology industry, no, we would be all hungry right now, and that how many other industries would not be existing without food, just like how you and I cannot exist without food. Also learned some terms like fermentation, which I probably assume that you already know. Please like, share, subscribe, and whatever the thing that people say in those videos. But please, man, I'm desperate for viewers. I'm desperate.